Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so you never miss any video from my channel.
Hello friends, so today I am going to tell you about some of the flightless birds. So let's start the video. A few birds have lost their ability to fly. Their main characteristic is wing loss or reduction, although for some a remarkable size may be the cause of their inability to fly. Flightless birds include runners, ostriches, cassowaries, emus, kiwis, extremely fast birds that live in remote areas of New Zealand, and swimmers, such as penguins, that have developed extraordinary aquatic abilities. Let's start with ostriches. 1. Running and kicking. Ostriches usually run to escape from predators or to hunt small lizards and rodents. In both cases, because of their strong legs, they are able to reach a speed of 72 km per hour, 45 miles per hour, and to maintain it for 20 minutes. When running is not enough to protect the bird, it may resort to kicking to discourage its attacker. 2. The neck of an ostrich consists of 18 vertebrae. About African ostrich. A single species inhabits eastern and southern Africa. Adults reach a height of 2.75 meters, 9 feet, and a weight of 150 kilograms, 330 pounds. The dodo was a flightless bird endemic to Mauritius that was hunted to extinction by sailors in the 17th century. Now let's start with penguins. Penguins' bodies are covered with 3 layers of small, overlapping feathers. A penguin has small limbs and a hydrodynamic shape that helps it swim with agility and speed. Dense, waterproof plumage and a layer of fat insulate the bird from the low temperatures of the regions where it lives. Because its bones are rigid and compact, it is able to submerge itself easily. This adaptation distinguishes it from flying birds, whose bones are light and hollow. Penguin heading to the water. 1. Hunting. The wings work like flippers. The foot with 4 joined toes pointing backwards and the tail steer the direction of the dive. 2. Breathing. When looking for food, penguins need to leave the water and take a breath between plunges. 3. Relaxing. When resting in the water, they move slowly. They float on the surface with their heads up and balance their bodies with their wings and feet. So friends, for today only for these 2 birds. I will be uploading next video soon.